Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to study how to solve this system of equations. A square minus b square is equal to 48. A plus b is equal to 12. We need to find a divided by b is equal to what? Before that, we need to find out the value for both a and b. Now, let us take the first equation. So here a square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b is equal to 48. Here they've already given a plus b is equal to 12. So in place of a plus b, I'm going to write 12 into a minus b is equal to 48. Now let us transform this 12 from left hand side to right hand side. Now it is multiplied with a minus b. I'll write a minus b is equal to 48. When I transform this one from left hand side to right hand side, it will become divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 fours are 48. Here a minus b is equal to 4. A plus b is 12 and a minus b is 4. So let us write a plus b is equal to 12 and this expression a minus b is equal to 4. Now let us add both of these two equations. Here I'm going to write a plus a is 2a plus b and minus b will get cancelled. So we'll write this equal to as it is 12 plus 4. That gives us 16. Now I'm going to transform this 2 from left hand side to right hand side to get the value of a. Here I'll write 16 divided by 2. So this gives us a is equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. So a value will become 8. So here we need to make a note of this value a is equal to 8. Now let us substitute a is equal to 8 in any of these two expressions. So I'll take a plus b is equal to 12. Here I'll write a plus b is equal to 12 and substitute the value of a as 8 plus b is equal to 12. Now this is 8 plus b. So when I transform this plus 8 from left hand side to right hand side, it will become minus. I'll write b as it is equal to 12 minus 8. So here b is equal to 12 minus 8 gives me 4. So here b value is 4. What we need to find? We need to find a divided by b. So we already got the value of both a and b. We need to perform a divided by b is equal to a value is 8 divided by b value is 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. So therefore a divided by b is equal to